Good morning, Monday, March 18th, 2024. Let's jump right into it. Bitcoin did have a pretty nasty week over the weekend. I didn't really pay attention, but I did have a buy order um, in my Coinbase account at 65 and 63 and then 62. I have three orders in there and the 65K trigger. So I did buy some Bitcoin. I think it was Saturday night, one of the night. Uh, I saw the text and I'm just like, oh, okay, 65K is still in that zone of support, so no big deal. I talked about this in the previous many streams that um, if we have a breakout and a check back, then that's fine. As long as it's over the trend, my stop is way down here. Okay, my stop is below 59, just below 59, because I don't want any nasty wick that will took out everything. But it's not that far below 59 as far as for my I bid. But for now, I'm keeping my order to buy BTC at 63 and then 62. After that, I don't have any order below that. But for now, that's the next two buy order. Um, Nothing surprising here. Okay, nothing surprising here. If you trade or follow Bitcoin long enough, this is par for the course. Nothing to be scared, right? If you scare of volatility on both the up move and the down move, then good luck to you. Trading Bitcoin is not a thing for you because it will move a lot more than the typical stock. All right, let's move on to MOS. I am out of MOS, but I'm liking what I'm seeing here, right? It was ugly for a little bit, but then when it get back to 32, I was out. I had a call. I had 200 shares, and the cover call took it out. And I'm watching it, and I think it's coming down to a key downtrend. Let's see what that line is. Okay, let's the the thing I've been doing on a key trend, make it white so that we can see it, right? We see it, bang, 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 and we are here, right? We are here. The convergence, the confluences of the 50, the 20, the downtrend. Yeah, I think you can have a nice move here. I mean, 10%. Who's gonna sneeze at a 10% move, right? Yeah, I can see it. I can see it, right? So if you're in it, I might even sell a cover call, or no, sell a naked put at 31, in case that might be a good trade-off right there. Sell like a naked put at 31, and then if I buy the share, that's fine. But I like the action here. Now the competition. It used to be a company called Potash, which I trade. I used to trade both Mosaic and Potash. They move in tandem, very much like Martin Marietta and Vulcan Material in that sector, because they are the two big players, right? And then Potash merged with another company, and they changed the name to Nutrient. But as you can see, very similar chart. And this one, I have not traded in a long time. Ever since they changed the name, I have not traded because I kind of fell out of my radar. But when I finally went back and researched, like, what happened to Potash? The ticker symbol was POT, P-O-T. Oh, there you go, right? It's very similar, very similar. Let's expand 3 years real quick so that we can see. Yeah, give or take, right? You get this very, very, very similar chart, and the same thing here, but it's already breaking out. Okay, it's already breaking out, and once again, you can have a little bit less than a 10%, but yeah, same thing here, right? Would I sell a naked put at 52? That might be the one. Or buy the share on the dip. I might buy some share here on the dip to the 20 MA, have an order in there, throw in a couple of small orders to nibble at 52.3 ish and below. Between 52.5 and 51.5, I might throw in some small orders to grab some share on any kind of down move. But I think there's if I can grab it at 50 below 53, in the 52 range, there's a 10% move here or more. I mean, it's all depend on what the big boys want to do. But I like the potential on both Mosaic and Nutrient there. There's a potential 10% grab there. Deer, let's end this on Deer. I, of course, traded Deer on this move down here. Sold some put spread, a bunch of them, made money. Key support, bouncing off, and we at the a key resistance here. If there's a breakout, we'll see. Like I said, I like what I'm seeing here. Would I sell put spread? I probably sell something like a 365, 360. Okay, with an idea that I might own the share out right down here if it break below. But I like what it's doing here. Okay, this is the channel. Let's change the thing to purple. A lot of time when I first draw in the channel, I don't change the color right away because sometimes it's not a channel, right? But after a while, after multiple point of touching and testing, then it is a channel. So we have potential bullish channel breakout, right? So you have channel high, channel low, bouncing off the low here. This is really, really nice. And then of course met the zone, right? Because that's the zone. Even though that line is right there, you can basically say that this is the zone here. The zone start right here, and then eventually channel high. And then yeah, it's been riding the channel high. Can the channel high keep it? Possibly, but if there's a break, we can see a move from say 380-ish back to 400. Okay, back into that resistance zone up there. So there's a $20 move potential down here. So would I buy here outright? No. Would I sell put spread 365 and below? Yeah. I think the risk reward is buy on the dip into the 20 MA. Okay, I wouldn't touch any share right now, but I would sell put spread down here with the idea of accumulating share down here on Deer. And that's it for this fast stream. Good luck on the market today. Who knows what's going on? I am cautious about the overall market because earnings season is nearly over, right? So all the positive catalysts are in many of the big stock, and if they are retreating, as in the Max 7, that's not a good thing, right? Because they already got the good earning, good guidance, push higher on many sectors, from banks to tech to industrial. So the catalysts are evaporating with earnings seasons over. So with resistance here and support falling, we can see a downdraft in the market this week. That's just my hunch. So trade light, trade small, keep the cash high. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.